Okay, good morning everyone. The crew start cleaning the mess here. This is where we cut the tree, the big tree. Now it's not a big tree anymore. He's gone. There Lando and Papa cleaning the branches and haul it and feel it burn. Oh. You remember before we have two trees here? We have a big tree here. This is it. Huge tree. I took a video yesterday but I accidentally deleted. So say hi.
The boss has got me sweating and working.
Yeah, everybody's working here.
Whew. Yeah, we're trying to burn all the branch stuff here.
Are you okay?
And once I start the pile burning, I just throw everything on, the green stuff and everything. It'll all burn away.
Yeah, just like that. Oh.
And it's pretty calm here, hardly any wind, so a good day to do it. Plus it's overcast. Oh. Okay, all you guys.
Yeah, they are safe to burn here.
Yeah.
A lot of space.
Oh yeah, I carved out a big open space here.
Yeah, big open
so it wouldn't
space.
burn down the trees.
There you go.
What, Mickey? Oh, I know. You're going to have to grow up, Mickey, if you want to jump into these hangers here. They're all bigger than you are.
Some other little bunches here. More, there are few slabs only.
Yeah, just like I said, that came out. There wasn't much waste at all to it.
No. They really cut wisely. Nice.
And because the tree was so misshapen too, you wind up with a lot of stuff like this, but that's fine. If nothing else, it's firewood, so
yeah,
it all goes to good use. Yeah, a few pieces here, but no, not much at all from a tree.
You know, like this, oh. There are some. This one can be still.
Yeah, that would be a good one.
You just cut here.
Well, no, I don't need any more. Whew.
Dagan pa man day kahoy pa no, himo?
Ha?
Dagan pa kahoy mahimo. Ay, nakat mo na nabalik mo na itong ari, oh. There is a good post here, Daily, oh, round, straight. So.
Oh, real good.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, a couple of them. So don't cut that up.
Only the small branches. Mura na magwa na
There
kayang
might be
kahoy.
another one right there, too.
Yeah, I told you so.
Yeah, I took out a tree here, but oh well. I'm wondering where my where my coconut trees got buried.
Nag-inquire bitaw ko. May mga trabahante. Gabas na yan pa.
Gabok.
Ha? Gabok ne?
Gaya na rin. Ito nga, gabok ko. Yung ubod.
Wala, hindi siguro na nga kahoy pa. Na, ito man gusto to nga, oh.
Lubas niya.
Iya dyan siguro ning kuan.
Ayan, lubas nyo ang gahe. Lami, natikasan nyo ng kahoy, Anoy. Oh, gawe.
So we're gonna have a lot of firewood here. So
Oh, firewood up the wazoo.
ika mangayo anilan.
Ay.
Kahoy.
Oh, ay, itag malaya ha.
Butang na dito sa imo ha. Kakoto nimo. Kay na, that's crooked.
Oh, wow, I didn't even see that.
So sawdust, we have a lot of sawdust to spread in the big floor. This is good. Wow, a lot. Plenty. Kano eh. So thick, Riley.
Oh, there's a ton of it there.
I like it.
Bags and bags of it. Nice hard.
So bye. Finish taking video to the crew. They're working so hard. And now I'm going to start feeding the creature here. Bye everyone. Thanks for watching again. God bless. I'll be back later.